The leap of faith, guys. The leap of faith is about more than just your faith in what you want to do. The leap of faith is you taking action. Do you want to be the planner or do you want to be the doer? There is no in between. All you have to do, think of a plan, make the plan, calculate the risk, and then start making effort into accomplishing that stuff. If you sit around all day, every day, talking about you want to do this, talking about you want to do that, it's going to be 30 years from now and you're still going to be talking about it. Don't worry about the failure. Don't worry about the blowback. Do it, make mistakes, learn from the mistakes, and then build on it. You got to think to yourself, do you want to look at yourself in 20 years and say, man, I wish I would have started that business? Do you want to look at yourself in 10 years and say, man, I wish I would have started that YouTube channel? Do you want to look back in 10 years and say, man, I wish I would have started working on my degree? Are you going to be that person? Are you going to be that guy? You got to think about that. You got to decide that for yourself. You have to decide, what do you want to do? What are you going to do about it, little boy? What are you going to do? Are you going to stop making excuses? Are you going to start being on your purpose? Are you going to start mitigating and managing your time properly? You have to do that. If you don't do that, you can't get mad that you haven't gotten anywhere. Get up, stop playing video games for no reason at all, and start making something happen. You know what to do. You know what not to do. So stop playing with me. Quit playing with me. Get to it. Make a plan. Do the research. Follow through with the plan. If it don't work, you come back, you mix it up, you see what you did wrong, and then you move on with it. Always get better. If you make a mistake, learn from it. Get better from your mistakes. You do that. That is how you get ahead in life. There is no easy way. Keep going. Keep pushing. Don't hold yourself back. That's the video.